VitaliQ Calcium Balm review. So you're scrolling through skincare ads wondering if this one's worth a click? The VitaliQ Calcium Balm stick form anti-wrinkle claims under eye hollows, smile lines, you name it. So is it real results or just marketing noise? Let's find out. So what is VitaliQ Calcium Balm? According to the brand, it's a multi-use balm stick that focuses on bringing volume back, especially in problem zones like under eye hollows, smile lines, creepy areas. Key claims that calcium and vitamin D synthesis via their proprietary REBORNIC complex, adenosine glutathione collagen, elastin support, and the format, you get it in the stick form. Travel friendly, apply over makeup even, that's a convenience angle. So when people tried it, the stick format is definitely convenient. Feels smooth, you can apply under or around your eyes over makeup as they claim. It doesn't feel heavy or greasy. After a week of use, you will notice in your skin felt a little smoother and in those trouble zones under eye, side of cheek, but nothing dramatic. The brand says you'll see visible transformation in a few weeks. So next, let's talk about the pros and cons. Its pros is that the format is super convenient, contains recognizable active type ingredients. Many users' testimonials report smoother skin, less visible hollows, while its cons is that they don't list full dosage of actives. Skincare stick format often means surface effect rather than deep structural change. If you have a deep under eye hollows or major sagging, you likely not see the same effect as a professional treatment. It's only available via the official site, so check shipping, returns, authenticity. So is VitaliQ Calcium Balm a scam? No, I don't think it is. It's a legit skincare product, and for many, especially early signs of aging, fine lines, hollow starting under eye bag beginnings, it could make a noticeable difference. Is it a miracle? Probably not. If you're expecting overnight gone hollows, full facelift result, you'll likely be underwhelmed. But if you're a realistic, want a convenient addition to your routine that might boost your under eye volume, smooth smile lines, and improve skin textures, then yes, it's worth a look with the patch test. Remember, consistent use plus good skincare basics will always win more than one magic stick. So drop your experiences in the comments below. Your story helps others. If you found this review useful, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you won't miss my honest review. And that's it.